Good morning, children. It's time for social studies class, and we will be doing fill up and question answer of chapter 4, our country India. India known as Bharat in our country. This is fill up. India is a part of the continent Asia. India is the dash largest country in the world. That is the seventh largest country in the world. India is the second most popular country in the world. India is bound by the Great Himalayas in the north and the dash in the south, Indian Ocean in the south. The higher part of the Himalayan mountains are always covered with dash snow. Mount Everest is in Nepal. The southern part of India is called the dash, that is the Deccan Plateau. The southern part of India is surrounded by dash on the three sides, sea on the three sides. The mountains have a dash climate throughout the year, cold climate throughout the year. In the northern plains, the dash are very hot while the dash are cold. The summers are very hot and winters are cold. In the coastal places, it is neither very dash nor very dash. It is neither very hot nor very cold. Question answer. Into how many regions land of our country is divided? The land of our country is divided into 4 regions: the Himalayas, the northern plains, the southern plateau, and the coastal plains. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, and it is 8,848 meters high. Name other important peaks of the Himalayas. Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga are the important peaks of the Himalayas. Name the rivers that start from the Himalayas. Rivers like Ganga, Indus, Satluj, Yamuna and Brahmaputra start from the Himalayas. Name the famous valleys located in the Himalayas. Kashmir and Kulu, the famous valleys located in the Himalayas. What is called the Tarai region? The lower slopes of the Himalayas have thick forest. This is called the Tarai region. Why are the northern plains fertile? Rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra flow here, in the northern plain. The rivers of the northern plains carry a lot of water and fine salt. On reaching the plains, the rivers slow down and deposit silt along its banks. This makes the area extremely fertile. So rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, they carry a lot of silt, that is very much good for soil, and fine salt, that is very much good for silt, very much good for soil. And so on reaching this, the plains, they slow down and deposit the silt along its banks, and this makes the fertile extremely good. What is a plateau? The land which is a little higher than the surrounding land and has a flat surface is called a plateau. Name some famous rivers of this plateau. The famous rivers of this plateau are the Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Tapi and Mahanadi. In which part of the country is the Thar desert? The western part of Rajasthan is the largest Thar desert in India. It is located in the western part of Rajasthan. Which animal is the most important animal of the desert? The camel is the most important animal of the desert, and it is called the sheep of the desert. What is called peninsula? The lands which are rich, which are surrounded by sea on the three sides. So the lands lands that surround the sea on the three sides are called peninsula. The Arabian Sea is on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east, the Indian Ocean on the south surround the India peninsula. What is an island? Name the islands that are popular for tourism. An island is a piece. What is island? An island, it is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on the three sides. Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, they are very much popular for tourism. Fill up. The Himalayas lie to the north of India. The Deccan Plateau is very rich in minerals. The dash plains are thickly populated, the northern plains are thickly populated. India is surrounded by sea on the three sides. So the question answer which I gave you, and fill in the blanks, copy all the question answers and fill in the blanks in your notebook.